Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make a female voice in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and what we're going to want to do is come over here to the left-hand side to our create option. Now, we can get started here. If you're on the home page, then you can click here and create your own song, and you can say, let's say we wanted to do a rock song with a female vocalist. We could do that, and you can just be as simple as that, and there's a good chance that you're going to get the result that you're looking for. But if you want to get a little bit more specific, then we're going to come over here to our create tab, and I'm just going to clear this out really quick, and we have some options to explore. Here on the left hand side, you can see simple and custom. Kind of same thing as before. If you wanted to just be super straightforward and just say a rock song with a female vocalist, then you can do that. Now, if you want to get a little bit more specific and you really want to make sure that you get the results you're looking for, then you're probably going to want to come to the custom option. And there's a few things that we can explore here. Now, the first thing I'm going to bring attention to is the persona option. We'll just fly through this really quick, but this is actually something where you can create personas. If you get a specific song and you like the way that it sounds and you have a specific voice that you want to use again, if it's a female voice, then you can create a persona and then you can use that voice again in your different songs. That's just a quick little side note. I'm not going to get into that too much right now, because what we're going to do is we're going to see here if we have our lyrics, we can put in our specific lyrics that we want. If we want to create a song, we can click on this wand button here and we can either edit lyrics or we can write full song. We'll just go ahead and write full song. And in this case, let's go ahead, and we did previously a rap song about puppies. Well, what if we want that to be sung by a female? So we're going to start writing here. It's going to come up with some lyrics for us to use, and we're going to just select whatever option seems best for us. We'll select this one. And then here for the styles, we can do kind of whatever we want. Since we did a rap song before, let's go ahead and let's go with hip hop this time. And then down here, you can see where it says vocal gender, and we can select male or female. So that's all we have to do. We just select female there, and then once we're ready to go, we can hit create, and that's going to give us our song with the female vocalist. We might want to play with the style influence here. If you really want it to be as close to the style that you chose here, then you might want to play with that, but you might not need to. The key thing here is just to make sure that you select female in order to get the result that you're looking for. Now, let's check something else. Let's say that we have a song that we've done already and we want to change that to a female vocalist. So we've got a song here. I'm going to choose this one because this one's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and listen to the original. My mantra. So you can hear there we've got a male vocalist. Now we want to change this to a female. So what we're going to do is we're going to either click the three little buttons here, we go to remix edit, but we could just keep things simple and just, you could see here we have that option. So we're going to click there and we're going to create a cover. So we're going to create our cover, and here we are going to go down, and you can see that we currently have it selected to female. So we're going to go ahead and leave that as is. And then for the audio influence, now this might be something that we want to keep it to a lower influence, because if we turn it up, then it might sound exactly like the original. But let's go ahead and try it. I want to try this out and see how this turns out, because if we turn this up to 100%, it might negate the female vocalist that we selected here. But let's try it out. So let's go ahead and hit create then. That's going to start working. And this is a good little test to see exactly how this is going to work. Okay, so that's ready to go. So let's go ahead and hit play on that. Yeah, so you can see there that still kept it to a male vocalist. So obviously that's not what we want. So let's go ahead and check the second one and see if we got the same issue. So yeah, we still end up with the same issue. So I think what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to dial this down, or there's another option we can explore as well. But let's go ahead and let's see here. Yeah, so another thing here too is I'm noticing that in the styles it does specify a male vocal performance. So that's another issue as well. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and remove all of the, well, let's not do that because we might want to keep that information there. We just want to remove anything that, let's go ahead and change this to female. And that might be enough to get what we're looking for. So then the question is here is if we leave that up to strong, let's go ahead and dial it down to like, let's go to there like 84%, and let's see what that does for us. And this is fine. You know, we're kind of playing around this here, so that way you have an idea of some of the challenges that you might encounter so that you can preserve your precious credits. Let's go ahead and take a listen to this one. All right, that's super awesome, and I love those results. So that gives you an idea of what you might need to do in order to get the results you're looking for. So we had to modify the style and specify that we wanted a female. We also have it selected to a female gender, and we dialed down the audio influence slightly. So all of those things may contribute to getting the results that we're looking for. So that's will give you an idea of what you can do as well. So that's super cool. I really love that. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to change the details here. And we're going to save that so that way we know specifically that this is the female version. And then I'm going to publish that as well. So that's still, oh, there we go. So yeah, it didn't show up the publish option, but it just finished. So we're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and publish that. And that's super awesome. In fact, I really like just the overall result of that. I think I might have to play around with that a bit more. And then what we're going to do is we're going to share that on our Discord. So if you want to listen to the songs that we're creating here while we're streaming, then you can head over to our Discord, Skillcraft Central, and you can listen to the full song yourself. And if you want a link to get there, just check out in the description. You'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials, and you can get over to our Discord channel through there. Also, while we're here, I want to point out our services that we're offering. We are offering a Suno, here we go, Suno AI Music Mastery. So if you want us to help you, take you by the hand to go through Suno so that you can create your own music, then we will do that for you. And we can set up 5 hours of focus training to take you through a deep dive on Suno and get out of it what you want. In addition to that, if you want us to create the music for you, you want us to do the heavy lifting, then we can do that as well. So more than happy to take you through your lyrics and your style and get the song that you want. And this can be used for a variety of things. If you're a musician and you want to do something like that, or if you're a content creator, a business, etc., etc., if you need help creating music, then we are more than happy to help you with that as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Again, take a look at the link in the description. You'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Suno AI, which is a fantastic business strategy platform. If you're a new business owner or an established business owner and you're looking for an edge, check out Suno, and you can use our promotion code in order to get 60% off your subscription. Highly recommend it. Suno is a fantastic platform, really great for brainstorming and getting that edge in your business. In addition to that, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. And I can personally vouch for this. It's a great bank. It is a great deal. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Make sure that it's available in your area.